Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video guys, I'm going to share with you how I disinfect or make your pillows puff back into its shape. Usually our pillow guys, usahay di ba atong pillow mura man siya malumping or malata or deform, and from the time that we bought our pillows it will become like flat, no, for the long time that we use it. Now I will share with you how I will put it back into on its own shape. But before that, I will give you an update of our weather temperature here in France. So far we are having 34 to 45 degrees Celsius all over France. Or maybe you could watch some news about France. Not in all areas of France are the same. We have different temperatures for every region. So here in our region, we are in Pays de la Loire, so we have 34 degree Celsius in the afternoon. So far guys, this is the actual. Today we are Monday. Time check, I don't know if it is 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So far guys, this is what happened now with our backyard. So there were some plants that survive and there were more that does not survive. So what kind of plant that survive? Obviously you can see some greens here. I will not say to you one by one, but as you can see, there were plant exterior or out, you know, the outer plant or the backyard that you could keep. Obviously there were plants that can easily survive, and one of that is the acacia. Look how the acacia still live like normal, very green. That's an acacia and it's wild, but I need to cut this one because there's a lot. It grows on the wrong area. It's nearby the fence, and this kind of plant guys nearly dies. Although maybe if we cut it, it will come back again next year. So look, I don't know exactly the name of it, but so far that's dying, but maybe the root's still alive. You can just see, and our grass is so brown, and obviously the roses still alive. And most of them guys, I'm not motivated to clean up the backyard as of the moment. These plants survive, mostly guys died. So that's how hot is the weather temperature here as of the moment. And some plant, they're burning. Obviously this plant is a survivor too, so you can just see. But then I would like to share with you how to puff back your pillows. So this is what I do with all my pillows guys. To put it back into its shape, I expose it in under the sun. So just expose your pillows. If you can wash your pillows, much better. Then dry it under the sun guys, to put it back, to put it on its shape. And also one way to disinfect our pillows. So it's nice if we will wash it, but there were some, like when you wash it after, it looks so bad inside. So this one we will hope that it will puff more. And there were some instructions here. This is fabric on United. That's Europe. Lavable, 40 degrees Celsius. Envelope 100% polyester microfiber. Garnish polyester silicone crew. So that's a kind of material, guys, the polyester silicone. Conform o exigence do decree. So the material can be washed by 40 degrees Celsius. So to disinfect. So again, guys, we'll just get inside. It's too hot, as in I cannot withstand the weather. It's too hot. So that's it for today's update, guys. Whee! C3 shoe. Oh, I cannot withstand. As in, the weather is so hot. So, it's not really nice garden for the moment. So, it's not agreeable. It's still hot even at 4 o'clock. And most of the plants are dying. And maybe my strawberries dies too. So, let's take a look. Take a quick look with my strawberries. Can't you see, guys? I don't know if they can survive. But looks like they're dead. So we will see next year. It's a big surprise if we can still have a strawberry. Because I doubt, guys, it's all crostillon. It's all died now. They all dead. They are all dead. And this is a kind of, it's hard to pull. Actually, this can be eaten, guys. But I'm not sure if the root is still okay. When you eat this kind of vegetables, you will cook it with bicarbonate, and it's delicious with the bicarbonate. So far, no strawberries. It's all died. They died. What survived is our lavender, the rosea, and some are dying. So these are the effect of our weather, temperature, and weather update. Si Padrol, guys. Uy! It's not really nice. It's not nice looking. Well, anyway, guys, thank you so much. But let's hope that we can revive our garden next year. I hope the flowers will bloom again. We will see. That's a big surprise. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.